Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, software testing week 10, assignment 10. So the first question is, which of the following features of static websites are tested using graphs? So these are the options. We check if all the connections are valid and if there are any dead links. We check if all the information given is correct in each of the linked web pages. So the answer of our first question is A. Now the second question is, while testing web applications, which of the following is true regarding client side versus server side testing? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is also A. Client and server are separated and testers typically don't have access to the server code. Now the third question is, state yes or no. It is possible to generate all the input screens that are passed to a web application. Yes or no? So the answer of our third question is B. No. Now the fourth question is, which of the following is a list of technique that can be used to provide test values to a web application? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is C. Random choice user session data construct based on the domain of application. Now the fifth question is, which of the following features can be checked using HTML without the need to write extra scripting constant? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A. Change of transfer mode, checking for length of input and checking against a list of predefined values. Now the sixth question is a control graph model useful for testing system level properties of web application? Yes or no? So the answer of our sixth question is A. Yes. Now the seventh question is, which of the following is a complete list of operators that are used in component expression? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is D. Sequencing, iteration, selection, and aggregation. Now, the eighth question is, which of the following defines the nodes of a yo-yo graph? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B. Nodes of a yo-yo graph are the method of different classes, one node for each of the new, inherited, and override methods. Now, the ninth question is, which of the following best define the edges of a yo-yo graph? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is D. Edges of a yo-yo graph are either the actual method calls or the calls that cannot be made due to overriding. Now the 10th question is straight true false. All the faults in object-oriented programs can be determined statically true or false. So the answer of our 10th question is B, false. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.